Honor Win series has officially been launched later this month, with the brand confirming both with the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chipset, with the addition of 4.6 GHz octa-core CPU and GPU of Adreno 840. RAM will be 12 and 16 GB. Display will be LTPO AMOLED touchscreen with big 6.83 inches screen size, 1.5K resolution with a refresh rate of 165 Hz, and storage will be 256 and 512 GB. On the rear, there will be 50 megapixel main camera. Fingerprint will be under display ultrasonic. Phone will run on Android 16 operating system. That's all for now. Friends, subscribe my channel for more latest videos. Thanks.